Imagine standing on a distant world, the air resonating with sounds unlike anything you've ever heard. Could alien planets possess natural amphitheaters, shaping sound in bizarre and beautiful ways? The geology of a planet plays a crucial role. Imagine porous rocks acting as natural resonators, amplifying and distorting sounds in unpredictable ways. A planet's atmosphere is equally important. A dense atmosphere might carry sounds for incredible distances, while a thin one could mute them entirely. Imagine cavernous valleys acting as echo chambers, creating layered and complex soundscapes that are constantly evolving. Perhaps alien jungles teem with creatures that communicate through sonic vibrations, creating a symphony of alien life. Imagine an alien species evolving to perfectly understand the sonic nuances of their world, perceiving sounds we can only dream of. Exploring these alien soundscapes could revolutionize our understanding of sound and communication, revealing the hidden harmonies of the cosmos.